Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how to get jobs on the Upwork. Here you can see this is my Upwork profile. So let's discuss how you can get orders on the Upwork. First of all, here you can see these are profiles, and here you can see this is earning. After that, here you can see this is some profile details. So now you can add a title, price, description. Here you can see profile image. After that, scroll down. You must have at least 4 reviews. After that, here you can see on the left side I have selected languages and some other details. Just you can fill out in your profile. After that, if you are from Pakistan, just you can send job proposals at 3 AM, that is midnight time in Pakistan. Here you can see these are various jobs. So what I prefer, here you can see client requirements are expert. Mostly I used intermediate as well as entry level because expert experience is very difficult and jobs are hard. So mostly I recommend you can apply for intermediate and entry level jobs. After that, you can add a keyword. For example, if client requires a website for the food, just you can add food keyword. After that, you can copy and paste your proposal. So let me show you how I got my last job. Here you can see this is the proposal. Scroll down and click here. Here you can see what is the job title. Just I have added this keyword in my description, 4 pages. Here you can see. After that, just I copied and pasted here my cover letter, and after that I attached one portfolio image, then some links. In this way you can easily get jobs on Upwork. So thank you for watching video.